You want to open your card?
Somebody is excited.
See what's in there. Ooh, careful. Let's see. Aw, nephew. Oh, is that envelope cool? Oh, my love, wish I could be there, love, Auntie Courtney. Yeah, you like it? Okay, you want to open a present? Here, bud, look at this. Remy, look. What's in there?
He found his present he likes.
That's your favorite? Want to open this? What's that?
He's probably like going, why doesn't this card meow?
Hey, look. What's that? Want to get that? He's gonna get
Oh,
you.
goodness.
Okay, that was fun. Look, you got one of these. Look at this. What's this? Aw, look at the bear. We love you, Mr. Remy. I hope you have the bestest first birthday ever. Happy birthday, Remy. You rock. And there's a picture of a dinosaur that says, "Roar, love Uncle Brandon." It's a pretty good T-Rex there. He's got little baby arms. Hey, see that? Look. Yeah, you like it? Oh, that's nice, huh? Oh, bend it backwards.
I'm so glad we're going to cherish these cards forever.
Okay, can Mama have it back? Because you're going to keep it. Put it in your baby book. Yeah? Don't you think? Here, you want to open a present from Uncle Brandon? Look at this. Look at it. Look, buddy. It's a t-shirt. This is Arizona.
Ooh.
Hey, look. Hey, look. Okay.
Something to wear at daycare.
How about one of these presents? Tear it open. No? Okay, let's try again. Oh, look. Your little train. You can conduct a train. Oh my goodness.
Remy.
You might need to stop and restart so you can actually post these videos because you don't want it to be too long.